Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get red cherry head in Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There's an event in Heartopia which is called the Kid at Heart Party, and you're going to open it, go to the exchange store, and here is where you can buy the cherry head, which is the right one or the left one or both of them, and you can buy them only using this party hat. And to get the party hat guys, you can do the daily quest or the rainbow challenges. It will give you the party hat for free. And go to the exchange store, then you will be able to buy the cherry hat and also the other items. Yeah, just like so. And this is so cute. It's too cute to ignore. And okay guys, that's how we can get the cherry hat and Heartopia latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.